Think you know Microsoft Word? Here are 4 hidden shortcuts that will make you look like an absolute pro. Need to quickly add today's date? Simply press Alt, Shift and D. Need the current time? Press Alt, Shift and T. No typing required. Word instantly inserts it for you. Here's another one most people have never seen before. Type 3 hyphens and press Enter to create a single horizontal line. Type 3 equal signs and press Enter for a double line. Or type 3 asterisks and press Enter for a dotted divider line. Deleting text one letter at a time can be painfully slow. Instead, press Ctrl Delete to remove the entire word to the right of your cursor, or press Ctrl Backspace to delete the whole word to the left. And finally, one of the best formatting shortcuts in Word in my opinion, select the text with formatting you like and press Ctrl Alt C to copy the formatting only. Then highlight another word or sentence and press Ctrl Alt V to paste that formatting instantly. Microsoft Word has way more hidden tricks than people realize.